So guys, I got stuck in the door trying to get out of the hotel room. It's starting off as a great day. But anyways, today we're going to Magic Kingdom. I'm trying to make this intro really short because, yeah. We're going to Magic Kingdom. If you guys saw my Universal vlog, that's the first thing that I did from Disney World. I honestly don't like the footage. I don't know how the vlog turned out, but I guess you guys know I haven't edited it or anything, so we're about to go to Magic Kingdom. So guys, we made it into the park. We're about to go on the monorail to get into the actual Magic Kingdom. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. So we made it to Magic Kingdom, and I'm about to get ears, Mickey ears, Minnie ears. I saw the castle, took a few pictures of that. I want to apologize if my voice sounds raspy. It's because my throat is having issues. I don't know why, but yeah, we're here. My mom got ears. I didn't find ears, but my mom got ears, the purple ones. If you couldn't tell, we made it to the castle. So we're in line for the Thunder Railroad because we had a fast pass for this ride. So we get to go super fast into, here's my new ears. They're little lollipops. So we rode Thunder Mountain, and now we got this Dole Whip Dole Whip pineapple, Dole Whip, and it's really good actually. It's definitely different. I've never had something like this before. Well, after this we're gonna go to Main Street for the parade. That's at 5:45. Okay guys, we just finished going to the parade. It was fun. It was very exciting. Now we're going into Tomorrowland for our Fast Pass ride, which is Space Mountain. Yeah. And then after that we have Pirates of the Caribbean as a Fast Pass ride. It's too bright. Yeah. We're waiting for Space Mountain, and our Fast Pass time is at 7, and it's, well, we can't see the clock, so we're gonna have to just go at 7, and then we will ride Space Mountain. But Tomorrowland it's not tomorrow anymore. The stuff isn't as advanced anymore because they have these train car things, but like those things are kind of everywhere now. It's getting darker, it's getting shadier, it's getting nice and cooler outside since it's very hot. I don't know how hot it is. I think it's like 95 degrees or something, but it should be getting darker, which means it'll be getting cooler soon.
That ride was so good. I love that ride. So we're about to go on the People Mover, which is the giant thing above me. The thing that goes all the way around the park. We're gonna go on that. So we're waiting for the fireworks. It's a loading, look, so many people, but waiting for the fireworks to start. The castle looks so pretty right now. So we finished the fireworks. We're walking back. I walked all the way up to the castle to see the rest of the castle, but now we're walking back. We have to go take the monorail and the train to get back to the parking. Okay guys, so that's all for today's vlog. If you enjoyed, please sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in the next video.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.